you ever fell in love with. I mean, are you still with this person, or do you hate them? Do you really hate that person, or do you really want to be with that person? This is the first thing I ever fell in love with theremin. You know, and a little bit like the first person you ever fell in love with, it's very unreliable, but you want to be with it, and it gives lots of great memories, but it's kind of very traumatic to be with it. So I decided on this tour I wanted to make peace with it, but again, here we go. I was 11 years old and I read this amazing story about Leon Taramin, and he was from Moscow, and so was Clara Rockmore. So this is a Russian instrument right here, you know? And it was made, you should be extremely, I mean, I don't know why there aren't more stories about the idea that actually Russia started the whole electronic music revolution. You know, you were behind. There would not be a Kraftwerk, there would not be a Aphex Twin, there would not be any electronic music right now. There would be no Lady Gaga without Russia, because this instrument right here, Leon Taramin, 1925, yeah, invented before the electric guitar. It was this thing. I'm gonna, you know, anyway, so it was made out of love here in Russia, and then he was arrested by the KGB because he was too clever, you know, made something incredible like this. So I wanted to bring it back, but it's very crazy. It's a crazy instrument. Hang on. You think it's fine, and then you take out the suitcase and it goes. Let me just try one more time.